When a rover is on the surface of Mars, it can't wait for a human to tell it where to step. The delay is too long. To survive, the machine must become its own boss. This is the logic of autonomous systems. It isn't remote control, it is internalized logic. It is the transition from a machine that waits for a command to a machine that pursues a goal by reading the world around it. Think of a captain on a ship. To sail safely, they follow a three-step logical loop: sense, plan, and act. First, the machine senses. It uses computer vision to turn the world into data. Second, it plans. It uses algorithms to predict what will happen next. Third, it acts. It sends a signal to the wheels or motors. This loop happens thousands of times per second. The logic isn't to turn left, the logic is to avoid the obstacle while moving toward the target. The hardest part of autonomy is uncertainty. In a factory, the world is predictable. In the real world, things are messy. Autonomous logic is probabilistic. The machine doesn't think, that is a pedestrian. It thinks, there is a 95% chance that is a pedestrian, and they are likely moving left. The machine builds a world of maybes, and chooses the path with the highest probability of safety. It is the logic of constant correction. True autonomy doesn't mean the human is gone, it means the human has changed roles. We move from being the driver to being the architect. We set the rules of engagement and the ethical boundaries. The machine handles the millions of tiny details, while the human manages the logic of the mission. It is the ultimate partnership, machine speed meeting human intent. Autonomous systems prove that logic can be a living force. When we teach a machine how to think for itself, we extend our reach to the stars. Logic is universal. Tools are temporary. Anybody can learn AI. Please subscribe and support us as we build the knowledge vault. Thank you for joining the journey.